Brothers, sisters, tonight we go deeper, not into English, into you. Breathe, slow, deep. Now listen. Somewhere inside you, there is a voice that says, I am not good enough. Say it. I am not good enough. Again, I am not good enough. Good. Now listen carefully. That voice is not you. It is memory. It is fear. It is old pain wearing your name. Tonight, we separate you from the lie. Say, this is not me. Again, this is not me. Good. Now imagine a child, small, quiet, curious. That child tries to speak, tries to learn, tries to ask, and someone laughs, someone judges, someone says, stop. That moment becomes a scar. Tonight, we touch that scar, not to hurt, to heal. Put your hand on your chest. Feel the beat. Every beat says, I am alive. Say it. I am alive. Again, I am alive. Good. Now say, if I am alive, I can learn. Again, if I am alive, I can learn. That is English. That is life. You are not slow. You are not stupid. You are not broken. You were just never given time. Tonight, we give you time. Say, I give myself time. Again, I give myself time. Now imagine, you speak, slow, wrong, broken, and nobody laughs, nobody judges, nobody stops you. You breathe, you continue, you try again. That world is real. You are in it, here, now. This is smart ear, not perfection, not speed, not rules, only practice, only courage, only voice. Now say, I speak even when I am afraid. Again, I speak even when I am afraid. Good. Fear does not mean stop. Fear means go slow. So tonight, we go slow. Say these words, one by one. I am learning English. Again, I am learning English. Good. That sentence is a bridge from silence to voice, from fear to courage, from who you were to who you are becoming. Now imagine 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. You speak, you understand, you laugh, you answer, not perfect, but free. That future is built tonight, by this breath, by this word, by this moment. Say, I am building my voice. Again, I am building my voice. Good. Now, before we go, I want you to forgive yourself for being slow, for being afraid, for being silent. Say, I forgive myself. Again, I forgive myself. Good. Now rest. Let your mind stay soft. Let your breath stay slow. Let your voice stay close. Tomorrow, we learn to ask for help, for clarity, for time, because strong voices know how to say no and how to ask. Until then, remember, you are not broken. You are becoming. Smart ear, still here, still listening, still with you. Good night. Good fight. Tomorrow we ask, and the voice grows. Smart ear, signing off.